Beautiful country estate on 20.98 acres, well located close to Victoria. This custom-built home features an oversized garage, a covered front porch to catch those sunsets, and a large covered patio. The updated interior complements the well-thought-out floor plan. The foundation is reinforced with 14 bell-bottom piers during construction. Beams are spaced 10 to 12 apart, and a 4-inch slab is built to withstand generations. The living room has a wood-burning fireplace. The interior is freshly updated. Double-pane windows add to the efficiency. The kitchen has a center island and plenty of cabinets and countertop space for meal preparation and serving. Outside, you will love all the buildings. There is a large equipment/livestock barn with 3,840 square feet, power, water, and compressed air lines. There is an additional large shop with a 2,200 square feet concrete floor, power, water, air, and tie-downs. The 416 square feet well house makes for additional storage and workspace. The land is as functional as beautiful. There are 44 live oaks, including 32 providing a double-sided tree-lined entrance. There are 26 mature shade trees in the yard, providing natural cooling and storm protection. The 9 mesquite trees provide shade for livestock. As an additional feature, you get a 20 to 24 vine vineyard for winemaking, juice, or jelly. The raised garden bed has established perennial asparagus plus ample space for seasonal vegetables. There are fruit and nut trees that include 6 producing pecans, 9 varieties, peaches, figs, satsuma oranges, apricot, persimmon, and bananas. The land is fertile and productive, with approximately 20 acres of ag-exempt pasture/cropland. For 38 years, it has consistently produced profitable hay crops of either alfalfa or clover and sorghum Sudan annually. Multiple barns provide ample hay and equipment storage, supporting livestock, farming, or expanded agricultural ventures. This is